to our sound check party. What we're going to do is we're going to sing a song and then we're going to take some questions from you guys. So, big up to the Bald Kings. Are you all good, first of all? Is everybody well? Good over here. You're sat down, so you can't be having a good time. So, there we go. There we go. We're going to start with Teenage Dirtbag. Her name is Nora, and I have a dream about her. She rings my bell. I got 10 glass in half, and I will know how she rocks and two socks, but she doesn't know who I am, and she doesn't give a damn, 'cause I'm just a teenager. Video for best song ever. What do you think? Like it?
I'm obsessed.
Right. We're glad you like it. It was so just we have any questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go with the first question. You and her.
Sorry.
He said find her.
What's up, y'all?
We've got Piper to start us off.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Piper.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever done in your free time?
That's a great question. Great question.
I remember one time when we were in your room and we were a bit bored and there was like an empty glass of water on the edge by the TV and we had a competition of who could get the most paper in the empty glass of water from on the bed.
Yeah,
We live really rock and roll lifestyles.
That was a good game. I'm pretty sure I won.
Yes. Watch out.
It's quite weird, isn't it?
we're renegades.
Harry, what's the weirdest thing you've done?
I think mine's... Oh, I spent a while with like
a little dart gun trying to turn the TV off.
Actually, hold on.
Like trying to...
Do you know what we were doing 10 minutes ago? So we were trying to throw an American football to turn off the light switch. That is no word of a lie.
No, this is true. I was there.
It was weird.
Or quite strange.
It was Harry the instigator, he's the weird one.
Another
That
question.
headband is too tight.
So all the way over stage left in the front.
On the west side. Got a very well-mannered audience. Who's over there on the west side?
Hello!
Sorry,
Big up the west side.
I've got Aaron for the next question.
West side.
Hi,
Hi!
Wingapper.
how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. If you could have dinner with 3 people, dead or alive, real or fake, who would they be and why?
Real or fake?
Veronica. Veronica from Zayn. The video. How do you not know who Veronica is?
I think I'd had dinner with Peter Griffin, Michael Jackson, and I need one more person.
Batman.
Niall.
Oh.
Neither does to share food though.
Not even with Peter Griffin.